We'll guide you through how to download and install Forza on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Forza is a great racing game. Go to the bottom of your computer and open up a web browser of your choice. To go and get Forza, we need to go and get a game launcher from a game marketplace called Steam. I'll guide you through how you can get it. But type in Steam and come to the Steam site. Then what you need to do is head to the top right and you can go and press Install Steam. Press Install Steam again. The download is going to download and we can then go and run the Steam setup file like so. What you need to do is go through the installer like any other app. Make sure Run Steam is selected and press Finish. You need to have a Steam account. Press Create a Free Account in the bottom right here. After you've got your account and signed in, press Store in the top left and you can then go and search for Forza. Here it is, Forza Horizon 5. We can go and click on it. We can scroll down and here it is. I'll just get the standard edition, press Add to Cart. Now what we can do is press Continue to Payment and go and purchase it. After you successfully purchased it, you want to go to the top and go and press Library. You can then go and find Forza Horizon and you can go and click on it. And what you can do is go and press Install like so. When it finishes, where it says pause, it will go and say play, for example with this game here.